All right, we are live coming at you from Armada High School, room 30 something or other. Yeah. Thanks. My fans, sorry, all those YouTubers at home. My fans just get so loud sometimes. All right. So we have to write 3 checks, a general to payroll, and then 2 payroll to the employees. So they're going to give us some information. We have prepare Antique Shop's general account check to the payroll for July 15th. The payment date is July 15th. Their current balance or balance brought forward is $16,542. The payroll account is 0639583. Sign your name as the manager. So, to prepare the first check, we're missing some info, but we'll come back to it. So this is July 15th. $715.19. Now the dollar amount that you are writing to the payroll account has to be the exact amount that you are paying from the payroll account. They do not give us the exact amount that we're paying from the payroll account, but they do tell us we're writing checks to Judy and Mike. Judy and Mike should sound familiar because that's our peeps from yesterday. And uh-oh. I lost yesterday's. Maybe. Whoa. All right, I got it. So yesterday, we did a payroll register for Judy and Mike. So if I needed to write a check to cover the 2 checks needed for Judy and Mike, what 2 numbers would I be looking for to add up? What? Net pay. Okay? So net pay, everybody please see this, because otherwise you're going to be confused. Net pay is the amount of money that you're going to write to Judy and Mike, which means the sum of net pay needs to be this check to the payroll department. So let's add these 2 up. These are from yesterday's lesson. So someone add these up real quick. We got 875.62 and 727.41. 1603. So I'm going to write that right here. Wait, 1603.03. So the check that we're writing to payroll is the sum of the net pays from the payroll register. Hopefully that kind of makes sense. So this is to the payroll department. The payroll account is 0639583. So we're going to write payroll account. And then let's put in their number 0639583. This is for what? Paychecks, payroll. We're going to put July 15th, 2019 payroll. If you put payroll July 15th, 2019, that's fine too. If you put July 15th, that's fine too. It is payroll for the dates leading up to July 15th. Balance brought forward, they tell us the balance brought forward from the previous check is $16,542. So 16,542. 16,542. 16,542. Amount deposited. Are they making a deposit with this check? Yes or no? Are we? I don't see anything about a deposit. So no deposit. So our total amount is 16,542. The amount this check is the 160303. Which means the balance carried forward is the difference between what they have and how much they're writing the check for. So what they have is the 16,542 minus 1603.03. So the balance carried forward is 14,938.97. So we have now completed the check stub. Now we can fill out the check. So from top to bottom, we have a date over here. So put July 15, 2019. Pay to the order of who are we paying in this check? Not the employees yet. We're paying payroll. Then payroll pays Judy and Mike. We are paying the payroll account. So from general to payroll, from payroll to the people. 160303. So 1,603 and 03 $100. So you're writing the check to payroll. You write the number twice. That's like any other check. You write it in words and in numbers. Then in the bottom, that's your memo line. I would write 7-15-19 payroll. In case it wasn't clear, you're making it doubly clear that you're writing this check to the payroll department. Now, let's actually pay our employees. So the payroll account had $0 in it. Now it has 160303. Okay. So let's fill out check 186 for Judy Hensley. July 15th, Judy Hensley. So we're taking all of this information for Judy and putting it onto the check stub. So this is for the period ending 7/15/2019. Her total earnings are $1079. Her regular earnings are $1040. And her overtime is $39. So these two boxes, or these two lines, add up to this line. Next box, total deductions. Over here on the payroll register, here's our deductions, deduction, pow. Total deductions, 203.38. 203.38. Those deductions come from income tax of $48, straight from the payroll register. So $48. Social Security tax, straight from the payroll register, $66.90. Medicare tax from the payroll register, $13.48. Health insurance, straight from the payroll register, $60. And other, straight from the payroll register, $15. So, if you took earnings 1079 minus deductions 203.38, that will get you your net pay of $875.62. $875.62. Now, let's actually write the check to Judy. Yeah, Judy. 7/15/2019. Pay to the order of Judy Hensley for $875.62. On the line, you're going to write it out in words. 875 and 62 1/100ths of a dollar. The last thing you have to do is sign your name as the payroll accountant. Your name is your name. Yeah, sign your name. Wait, your name or my name? Your name.
So, like, physically,
my name?
Y-O-U.
No, sign your name. So yeah, your name. So that is a check to Judy. Now, watch this. Moody Judy. The check we wrote to Judy is check number 186. If you look back at the payroll register, they have a column for check number. We didn't fill this out yesterday because we didn't write a check to Judy yesterday. Now we did 186 right there. Now we know what check went to Judy. Where did everybody get suckers from today? Did you guys bring me one?
Ask me.
I
Ask
don't
me.
even know how, but I walked right past. I didn't even know that.
Yeah, same.
He's like,
Good morning, take a sucker. And I was like,
Did it make you smile though? Be like, oh, thank you. See? Impact and change all over the place. All right. So we wrote a check to Judy, and now Mike is like, what the heck? Where's my check? Let's write Mike's check. Take it easy, Mike. So for the period ended 7/15/2019, Mike's earnings $971.75. $971.75. His regular earnings were $920. His overtime was $51.75. Deductions for Mike, we have a total of $244.34. And that comes from $95 of federal income tax, $60.25 for Social Security, $14.09 for Medicare, are these right? These don't seem right. Is this what we did yesterday? Or is this from a different class? Riddle me this, Batman. How is the Medicare tax for someone making $1079 $13, but someone making $971 $14? Someone goofed. It wasn't me. I never do the math. Do 1.45 times 1079. Well, that's gotta be over 14.
no, should it be 0 point?
Right. So 0.0145. Well, Judy's gonna get a little extra in her check this month. We're
15.
yeah. Okay. So whoever did this one for me was wrong. And then
You. It was her.
Carly,
It actually was. You did Judy actually.
now you are YouTube famous for screwing up.
Guys, you got the same exact thing. No, I didn't do it.
I got the same.
How? What?
Wait, what did you do?
So 1.45%. So
it should
point-
be 0.0145.
This number.
Oh, I didn't put the decimal in. I got
Yes, you just watch.
I
Watch.
get
1 point. Yeah, you got the same thing I did.
Well, how would you get 1348?
No, that wouldn't make sense.
No, because if there were no decimals, you would have got like,
Yeah, 1,608.
oh,
Yeah.
no. All right.
Well, Judy, we're just leaving.
So we've just discovered we've made an error. As good accountants, we're gonna go back and fix everything. Just kidding. We're just gonna pretend that Judy is going to get a little extra.
I'll just
Judy's getting a little extra in her paycheck today. Yeah.
go, dude.
Here, well, I'm going to do a little winky face. There you go, Judy. There's an extra $1 in there for you. All right. So, health insurance for Judy or for Mike now, 60, and then the other is 15. 60 and 15. So Mike's net pay is $727.41. Now you can fill out a check for Mike. So the date is July 15th, 2019. Paid through the order of Mike McCoon for $727.41. Then you write it out. $727.41. Then you sign that bad boy, and we're done. Oh, we're not done. We paid Mike with check number 187. So go back to the payroll register and write down that we paid Mike with 187. Now, last thing. This is something that the payroll accountant would check. Add up 875.62 and 727.41. Do that right now, please. See if it equals the check that we wrote to payroll, which was 1603.03. Add up the net pays, 875.62. They do.
I'm not gonna do that one. Yep. Wait, what is it?
1603.03.
Yep.
So, the idea behind this is when Judy and Mike go and cash their checks, the payroll account number 0639583, goes from 1603.03 to 0. If your payroll account is at 0, then everything has been done correctly. And that, my friends and students and YouTubers, is that.